In this video, we'll walk through how to add a date range filter to your WooCommerce admin orders page. First, copy the snippet from the blog post and paste it into your Code Snippets plugin. Then activate the snippet. Now head over to your WooCommerce Orders page. Make sure HPOS is enabled on your site. This snippet works perfectly with it. Notice the new From and To date fields above your orders list. Enter any range of dates. You'll see orders from various months at first. But once I add a date range from September 1st to September 30th and click Filter, the list instantly updates to show only September's orders. Let's try it again for another month. Say July. Add your dates, hit Filter, and just like that, you're only viewing July's orders. Likewise, you can also filter by any partial date range. For example, from the middle of July to the end of the month. This is how quickly and easily you can narrow down orders to a specific date range without scrolling endlessly.